Excuse me, I need to make the bed. Bailey, I need to make the bed. Can you move? Can you get up? What's with the eyebrows? Oh, you're not gonna move? Seriously? Bailey, get up. Up. Such a good listener. Bailey, move. Get down. Thank you. Oh, yes, thank you. Good job.